COVID-19. I know guys, we are stuck in an unprecedented situation where we are seeing each and every day as a worst nightmare of the year. So basically today I have brought 8 effective tips and tricks and also things to do which you can initiate in your lockdown, right? So without wasting time, let's bang on. Number 1, you should prepare a to-do list. Just because preparing a to-do list will let you allow to do some new work, to work towards your goal, and when you accomplish a goal, simply reward yourself by doing them by self-administrating dopamine, a molecule is released when you hit a goal, which in turn motivates you to repeat those behaviors and makes you easier to do so. It sounds a little bit crazy, but it works. Believe me guys, you should strictly adhere to it. This can be as simple as telling yourself well done for going for that run and not eating that chocolate. Number 2 is boost your immune system. Feed your good bacteria. Evidence suggests that the more diverse the bacteria in your gut is, the more robust you will become. But you are stuck indoors and you are probably worried about your finances. Healthy food is expensive, isn't it? Well, so from this varied, inexpensive list that I am going to list you rather. Frozen fruits such as dark berries, frozen veggies as spinach, peas and sweet corn, fresh veg such as onions and garlic, starchy carbs such as oats and lentils. Which brings me to number 3, buy a resistance band or kettlebell. If you are looking to be fit, functional and dynamic, then a resistance band or the kettlebell is the most underrated and the most overlooked equipment that you can go for. It can be used for a wide variety of exercises, from deadlifts to hip thrusts. Which brings me to number 4. Focus on what you can do. Nobody can control the coronavirus. You can? Even me can't. But even we can control our sleep, exercise, diet, calling friends, positive behavior that we wish we did more of. Which brings me to number 5. Set your body clock. Prioritize on setting your circadian rhythms. Being cooped up inside means more time on electronic devices, stretched out late nights and lack of light exposure. So setting some blue light during the day could help. Even looking out a window or sitting on your porch outside your house. Obviously, if it doesn't come under the government restriction. Setting a strict time to end use of phone, computer, laptops and tablets can improve your sleep and melatonin secretion. Which brings me to point number 6. Limit your usage of devices. The goal of this philosophy is to focus your technology use exclusions on activities that support your values. I see a lot of dudes and guys just simply hovering over the phone and simply seeing newsfeed. That's fucking insane. When I see one newsfeed, I find it quite appropriate. I sit down, I start swiping up and up and up, and that's where we start wasting time. The things we need, apart from that, we start wasting time on other things which are not needed at the moment, right? So that's what creates problem guys, and that's what you should stop according to me. Which brings me to point number 7. No eating at your office desk. It's very easy to go back to where you were working all day long, and after making lunch take the paraphernalia and go back there and have your lunch. But wait, do you know one thing? Stress affects digestion. When you are in a fight to flight mode, your body moves the blood from the gut to the working muscles where it is needed. Eating in a relaxed environment helps to activate your parasympathetic rest nervous system. Which brings me to point number 8. Sitting posture. By sitting posture, I mean that your new working from home setup may be less than optimal biomechanically. Try the spine exercise. I must recommend you people. Sit forward slightly on your chair away from your backrest and roll your pelvis forward. Keep your head stacked on the top of your rib cage. Feel the gentle extension or arch in your back. Then reverse, feeling the pull on the bottom of your spine and slouching along the whole length. Repeat 4 or 5 times. By doing this, you will find yourself more balanced naturally and even upright, as your brain had become the wide range of possibilities that it may undertake to align your body. As a bonus, you will promote fluid transport to stagnant areas and for a moment disconnect your devices while reconnecting with yourself. So that's all guys, those were the 8 vital points that I wanted to discuss with my family. That's all, and target assets it aims to bring out the best version of yourself. And today was lifestyle day, some lifestyle tips I thought of giving. And also, if you have not watched my previous videos, I would recommend you people just simply go and check it out, and do let me know, leave me a feedback, right? Thank you for watching and see you next time. Till then, goodbye, take care.